Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find Google option, that is right here. And now we have to click on all services, search assistant and voice, and right here we have to choose Google Assistant. Now right here, as you can see, we are in the Google Assistant settings, where we have to scroll down and find general option. If it's not turned on, we have to just click on this button and click turn on, and basically that's how you enable Google Assistant. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!